Hi there again, I'm OMMICANG and you're at OMMICANGS. In today's session, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from GhostPay.io. This is part of a series of videos that deals with funding your debit cards, depositing on GhostPay, and withdrawing from GhostPay.io. So if this is your first time on this page, do well to check the links in the description below to check the previous videos that we've had on this, and also feel free to join our WhatsApp community and stay updated. Alright, that being said, let's head over to my mobile. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so the previous video we funded our card, and now you notice we have 5,500 ZOF in our wallet. Now let us go on to see how we are going to withdraw that ZOF so that we can mint it for the purpose of this arbitrage. So you tap the hamburger menu, tap on trading as it is there. You want to tap on trading, and when you tap on the trading, it is going to take you to this part of the page on the GhostPay website where you see our balances and also the amount of currencies they have left. So that's our 5,500 ZOF. So you would notice the amount of cryptocurrencies they have left on the site, and you want to ensure that you go to the buy section of that crypto trading. Don't be on the sell. You can't sell, you can only buy from those people now. So you see the ones who are going to be particularly interested in BUSD, Tron, and USDT. TRC20, please take note of that. TRC20, take note of it, please. All right, so now let us proceed. So you go to the buy section, and then you want to tap on the buy. Let's see the currency you want to buy. Should we go for Tron? Should we go for USDT? Okay, let's see. So BUSD and USDT are about the same price, right? They all sell for 699 ZOF at the same price. So for this purpose of this session, let us go for USDT TRC20. That is what we are going to take for this session. We are going to be buying the USDT TRC20 with our deposited ZOF from the last video. So we select USDT TRC20 there, selling for 699 ZOF to $1, and we'll be buying 5,500 ZOF. So you tap on that, I give 5,500 ZOF, and you see that it's giving us 7.8 USDT that will be sent to our Binance account. All right, you would see that as we proceed. So take note of that. 5,500 ZOF gives us 7.8 USDT. Okay. Next, we would see the address bar, and in the address bar, we would have to paste our address, the wallet address, that is our USDT TRC20 address to receive our USDT. Yeah, so you go head over to Binance, and when you get to Binance, you want to tap on wallet. You want to tap on wallet there, so that you'll be able to deposit in the USDT TRC20 from GhostPay site. And you'll notice that I don't have anything in my balance right now. Oh, trading broke. Okay, so you tap on deposit. So once you tap on deposit there, it's going to take you to select the particular cryptocurrency you want to deposit. So we choose USDT, right? So we scroll down. Remember, it's TRC20. That is what you're going to be pasting the address to there. So you tap on that Tron TRC20 of USDT, all right? And when you tap on that, you would see the wallet address. Then you tap on that copy icon there, right? Use it to copy. Don't write this out, please. You are not a computer. Just copy it and go paste it in the GhostPay wallet address section. Yeah, the wallet address bar there. So you paste it there. I already have mine pasted there, but I will just paste it again. Please take note of that. You see there, so that is it. I already have mine pasted there. Then you tap on the buy button. You want to tap on the buy button once you've pasted our address in. So once you tap on the buy button, this is gonna come up, right? Are you sure you want to buy cryptocurrency? Tap on yes, continue. That is what you want to do. Aside, maybe you don't want to buy it and you just want to be looking at it there in the GhostPay wallet, or you can as well transfer it to me, but that's not what you want to do. Just tap on yes, continue. And once you tap on that, you're going to notice that it's going to show there. All right, so let's do that again. Seems I had a glitch. Yeah, I did. So you want to tap on it and tap that buy button. All right, let's go buy that. Exactly. Okay, my bad there. Yes, continue, please. Let's tap on yes, continue. All right, so once you tap on yes, continue, a page is going to come up now. It's taking a while to load. The networks are not the best these days. I apologize for that. Okay, so that is it. You will notice that my ZOF is gone, 0 ZOF. So it has transacted, and we'll get the message pretty soon now that shows it was a success. Just give it a while. Give it a while to pop up. It always does. Yeah, that's it. Transaction successfully completed. You receive your coin shortly. So give it like 5 minutes and you would see that coin in your Binance account. As easy as that. So for now, if you check the status, it is pending. That's the last transaction we just did, and that's the time, 12:54. Though mine is 1:54, but that's the 1 hour time difference, because as I said in the last video, these guys are kind of based not in Nigeria, so that is why it is like that. So now let's go check my Binance wallet. Let's go back, and it's here to drop. Just give it a few minutes, and that's it. It's in. Can you see that? As fast as that, fast as lightning. 5 minutes stops, and you have it there. So that is it. I've successfully withdrawn my coin into my wallet from ghostpay.io, and that is how it's done.